Ladies and gentlemen, we have a very strange news story that I am like super duper excited to bring to you guys. So just a little while ago on Twitter, the official OnePlus Twitter account tweeted a 16-second long video that I am shocked, confused, all of the above. I'm not gonna like waffle around anymore on this. I'm just gonna show you the damn things. Let's go picture in picture here. And as you can see here, all right, 8:11, 10 a.m. Eastern time. Well, let me just pull up my my time over here. It looks like that will be tomorrow morning, around the time that Samsung is going to be talking about the Z Fold 3. This is the Z Fold 2, obviously. Maybe it's the Z Fold 3. Maybe I'm one of those people now. Ooh, Marquez Brownlee. I'm not. It's a Z Fold 2. But anyways, this is a pretty interesting targeting time here. So let's let this play, and then we'll talk about it. All right. Okay, so there's a lot going on here. So let's stop this here for a moment. And my first thought was, oh, OnePlus is making a folding phone. But hold on, I don't think this is a folding OLED. Maybe I'm crazy, but look in the middle here. It's dark in the middle. And if you look really closely right here, there are edges that go in. Is this a dual screen phone? Is OnePlus making a Surface Duo competitor? Look at here. You can see that going in. That doesn't happen on a standard typical dual screen phone. Look at the Z Fold here. It doesn't do that, right? It just goes straight across. Why would it need to do that? It doesn't need to do that. It only would need to do that if it's two separate screens. And of course, people like Quinn Nelson here are responding saying, so I scrolled down and was like, okay, so I'm not totally insane here by reacting to this thing as if it's a dual screen device. It's dark in the middle. What is happening? What is going on? I'm so excited. I'm super bummed out that I'm not going to be able to just cover this thing live. Any coverage I'm going to have of this or Samsung's impact of it will happen after like 1 or 2 p.m. tomorrow because I've just life stuff. I won't be able to do any of this stuff live, but you better believe I'm going to be making a lot of videos over the next couple of days, and you better believe I'm going to make videos about this thing. So stay tuned tomorrow, sometime afternoon. Expect coverage of this thing, and I'm sure that you guys will have seen it already, way after that, or way before that, rather. But if you want to hear my take on it, be sure to check back tomorrow, sometime afternoon. Can't wait for that, and until next time, stay nerdy, my friends.